when I can help to keep them afloat.
This is definitely running out little section on Goats Road. I think it's Goats Road. So, pick a nice line. You can split a lot of these down the center.
The time of that I need just to find me. Pick you up from the side of the road. Now this ride just seems so damn lonely, because you treat me with the silence I know. And to think I've been loving you, but you say you do it all on your own. Tell me why I'm such a fool, chasing rainbows that never have gold. I mean, this shit gets old. Climb this fountain, baby, so we can fall down. There's a rocky ending coming, I know. Let these words tattoo themselves to my
Piney Creek Wildlife, we're still there. Should be finishing the track probably in the next half hour to an hour. So we're doing actually really good, even though sun's starting to set. Let's check on Tyler. It's dusty.
so I can help to turn this all around. And to
I went through it back a bunch of times to kind of clear all that stuff out from like my brakes.
Yeah.
Because they were just sliding through. But
Oh, yeah.
Stuff and
well, you say you do it all on your own. Tell me why I'm such a fool, chasing rainbows that never have gold. I mean, this shit gets old.
a little bit. Steam coming out from all the water.
Yeah. That's normal.
Just checking it real quick before we kept driving.
Oh, it's a good time to check. Which, it's the big bore kit or whatever it's called.
Yeah, I can't imagine that thing would not be able to handle it. Oh, looks fine. Both lines, no leaks. That pump, I replaced that steering pump like a year ago or something like that.
Yeah.
Because it was whining, remember? I did a lot of that. It's fine. So, that's the same. That's not like an upgrade or anything. It's just standard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's just a slow speed, but
Yeah.
job on it. But
Did you try turning it off and restarting just for shits and giggles?
yeah, I stopped it before when you guys were coming up, but I'm just wondering the same thing. Like, they just let it.
I don't know if that would do anything. We shouldn't have much more to go either, right?
Yeah, well, I'm tired of stopping and poking holes and sticks.
Oh, this should be all hard road now.
I did not want to stop until we got out of that.
Yeah.
We were supposed to pave that one.
We're thinking it's this pump.
Might just need a bump. Means I just gotta drive without power steering for a little bit. As long as when I'm moving.
Highway, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Even when we're moving at a decent speed, it's when we slowed down and I had to try to make like a really tight maneuver.
Easier that way.
We got a ways to go still.
We got, yeah, some traveling to do.
It's I think like 20 after 6.
Yeah.
So life is rocking, baby. Count 4, 3, 2, 1.
just finally finished the trail, and it's what, 8 o'clock at night?
Yeah.
Yes, it's after 8. We caught up though.
We caught up. We finished it today, which was our ultimate goal. We woke up late and slept in.
Because we thought it was going to be a little bit
Well,
easier.
it's like, oh, it's a short trail.
5 hours, but we still had.
Well, we still had day 4 part to do too, but we
Yeah.
did make it to the end. And if you make it to the end, you get to see this lovely sign that is completely backwards. Oh wait, I'll invert that.
Hey, it won't be backwards for you.
No.
Yeah.
And look, you could always just pause it and then tag us right now, and then put it on your social media and be like, Hector made it to Hector after doing the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail.
Aw,
Or
look at you saying
double
the whole thing.
OAT. We did it.
Still
Good job,
sounds
boys.
gay.
Good job, boys. We made it. That was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot of travel versus short travel, big obstacle.
Yeah.
This way it was long travel, small obstacles. Which obstacles were still fun. I
Yeah.
had fun.
It was
We can get in
fantastic.
trouble for the background music. Forget
They
to.
probably won't pick that up. It'll be short. I think we deserve a cold beer and a store-bought pizza. I mean, campfire pizza.
Yeah, definitely campfire.
Yes,
Yeah,
campfire.
definitely.
Campfire. I'm thinking onions,
Totally not campfire.
sausage.
You have something
Pepper.
to make
All of
that,
the
right?
toppings.
Yeah. We have all of that.
Well, you see,
course.
we've got these beautiful 4.0s over here, and you see, we've got this one over here that hasn't had any modifications made to the hood. You know what that makes for? Ample cooking space for a campfire pizza, because those 4.0s run hot. Don't mind the dirt.
It's just fiber.
Yeah, you still got some cooking spray.
Yeah. Well,
The
good.
paint's faded anyways.
Good job, boys. We made it. We finished it.
We did
We
finish
can
it.
knock it off DAO's checklist now.
Yep.
Let's
Till
let's
next
end
time.
this video. Until next time. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that fancy crap.
Yeah.
And if you don't, Rhodey's
okay.
gonna come stink up your house.
Yeah, I'll come
So-
fart in your mailbox.
He will. I've seen it. He's done it. Bye.